Keep moving forward, part 2. Forgive yourself for your faults and mistakes and move on. Keep moving. Obstacle? The bigger your obstacle, the bigger your future. Don't get discouraged. Keep moving forward. Keep moving. I demolish my bridges behind me, then there is no choice but to move forward. Burn your bridges behind to move forward. Don't turn around, don't look back. Keep moving forward, keep pushing. The pot of gold is at the end of the rainbow, not the beginning. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. The man who moves a mountain begins by carrying away small stones. Look at life through the windshield, not the rear view mirror. A bend in the road is not the end of the road unless you fail to make the turn. March on, do not carry. To go forward is to move toward perfection. March on and fear not the thorns or the sharp stones on life's path. Cry, forgive, learn, but move on. Let your tears water the seeds of your future happiness. Thanks for watching. To subscribe, press the round button.